Hi, welcome back to another episode of Blockchain and Smart Contract Security course. I'm Saeid Shirazi and this is the InfoSecTube channel. So in this module we talk about what is a smart contract and how it works. Please watch this video till the end for full information. Before we head forward to understand how smart contracts work, let's have an understanding of what smart contracts are. In simple words, smart contracts are the digital contracts which are pre-programmed to execute the payments once the conditions are met. These contracts run on blockchain and are stored in a public database, and once entered, they cannot be changed. This feature makes smart contracts a good choice for those who are looking for hassle-free agreement execution. A smart contract execution can result in the exchange of money, delivery of services, unlocking the content protected by digital right management, or other type of data manipulation, such as changing the name on a land title. A smart contract can also be used to enforce privacy protection by, for example, facilitating selective release of privacy protected data to meet a specific request. Now, let's shift our focus to understand how smart contracts work. The working is quite simple. The two parties decide the term and condition of the agreement. This agreement is created on the Ethereum blockchain or another compatible blockchain. Once the conditions are met, the contract is programmed to execute the transaction. You must be wondering why Ethereum or not Bitcoin? When Bitcoin came way ahead of Ethereum, then you must know the Bitcoin is limited to currency use case. On the other hand, Ethereum replaces Bitcoin more restrictive language with ones which allow developers to write their own programs. This flexibility makes Ethereum a much more suitable platform for smart contract creation. Ethereum enabled the developer to program their own smart contracts. These developers are also called autonomous agents. Thank you for attention. If you like these videos and found them useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new videos updates and help YouTube algorithm to show the video to other people who might actually need it. Thanks.